Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You, and there is a big news which is coming here from TCS. TCS has started sending feedback form. Now, many of the students are asking, sir, what does this feedback form means? So, is this, sir, many of them are getting TCS feedback form, it means rejection. Sir, I received a feedback form menu in the TCS Next Step portal, what does it mean? So I thought to make a video and give you the complete clarity, even from the previous batches what has happened, that feedback form, and the current batches also what is the feedback form. So we will understand in detail. Friends, each and every information with respect to any company I always provide you in detail with proof. So I request all of you to please do subscribe to this YouTube channel. Once you get placed, you unsubscribe, it does not matter, but right now getting a job for you is very, very important, and for that we are working very, very hard. Okay, so now not everyone who has finished the interview has got the feedback form. Okay, that is one thing. And if you are not receiving feedback form, it does not mean that you are not selected or you are rejected. So slowly other people also will be receiving the feedback form. So here one of the screenshot where you could see that feedback form is not available, but the candidate has finished the interview. That's okay. Feedback form is they will just check with you like how was your interview process and all those things we will see. So here the feedback form is not there. Now next screenshot if you'll see, so the one of the student who has finished the interview on 28th of May has received this feedback form, correct? Okay, so in that what will be there? So how to here if you'll see how to apply feedback form, track my application, campus commune, interview from PDF, right? So this particular candidate has given the interview as well for the ninja role. Okay, interview for the ninja role. Okay, ninja role. And what is available now? So how to apply feedback form, track my application, campus commune, application form, PDF. Now this feedback form if you'll see, we at Tata Consultancy Services have an upcoming determination to achieve excellence in everything we do. We deliver our promise of certainty even every time we work in partnership with our stakeholders. You are one of our key stakeholders, and we would like to share your feedback with us. So on a scale of 1 to 5, please indicate your satisfactory level with the selection process and the TCS Next Step portal on the below. Before that, I just wanted to tell you one more thing here, friends. So if you have received the feedback form, okay, it does not mean that you are rejected or selected. It does not mean you are rejected or selected if you have received the feedback form. First, that you have to keep in mind, because many times what will happen after you get the offer letter and then you will be getting the feedback form. So this is one of the candidate, right, from the last year. So one of the candidate from last year, you could see here. So she received the offer letter last year on 26th of July. Okay, 26th of July 2024, and after 2 days, that means 28th of July, she received the feedback form. So this feedback form does not mean that you are rejected, it does not mean that you are selected. TCS just wanted to understand what all went right and what all went wrong in during the hiring process. Okay, so you could see here, so certification details, once your offer letter and all will come, background check, how to apply feedback form, ILP corner, track my application, campus commune, offer letter and application form PDF. So once you get this offer letter, then these things will be added. So this is your complete process except the joining letter. So till your offer letter, and after offer letter your background verification, certification detail and all those things will be there, and then there will be joining a letter will be there. So sir, are they reject? It means rejection? No. So feedback form does not mean any rejection. Sir, I received feedback form menu in the TCS Next Step portal. What does it mean? So it just mean that how was your exam, and TCS can work on that. For TCS NQT 2026 batch, friends, so I just wanted to tell you, so we have already started with these weekly classes for TCS 2026 batch. Like today Monday, coding classes with Ankan sir, right? And Tuesday, aptitude classes with Pratik sir. Wednesday, verbal ability with Isa ma'am. Thursday, aptitude classes with Pratik sir. Friday, there is AI classes we are going to conduct. Reasoning classes with Pratik sir. Sunday, reasoning classes with Pratik sir and coding with others, right? So friends, if you really want to get placed, then TCS NQT crash course is definitely going to help you out. And if you wanted to crack other exams also, then you can just go here and you can enroll for this achiever batch also. Okay, every time you won't get this opportunity. And friend, these are the exams. Once see, now for 2025 batch, there is very limited opportunity, you also know. So if you miss these chances, okay, so either achievers batch or TCS NQT crash course for 2026 batch, 2025 batch, once you miss this opportunity, then it will be very, very difficult to get placed in the companies. You will have to put lot of effort, right? So now also you can get enrolled to the courses. There is only 2 classes which has happened, so join it as soon as possible, because you have only hardly 3 months. So if you are preparing for TCS NQT 2026 batch, then October you will be having one exam on campus, okay, October 2026, and then your off campus will be happening in April 2026. So try to get placed in this October exam itself, okay, because they might allow or they might not allow in the April 2026 exam. October 2025. So if I wrote it wrongly, so October 2025 you will be having one exam, okay, online, on campus, okay. So this will be your on campus, and then your April 2026 there will be one exam. So try to get placed this in the on campus only, don't depend upon the off campus examination, okay, fine. So if you get placed early, you will be tension free, otherwise you will be always in the tension. Now kya problem? Okay, there is some problem, leave it. Now let's see. So next is what? So we at Tata Consultancy Services have an up on this we rate, okay. So on a scale of 1 to 5, please indicate your satisfaction level with the selection process and the TCS Next Step portal on the below parameters. 1 is excellent, 3 is good, and this I think it is 4, okay. So 4 is very good and 2 is satisfactory. So you just give 2, okay. So according to me, the reason is the date of results, okay, the date of results is not fixed. Even they will not tell you the months also, the number of days also, right? So it generally takes around within 30 days your result gets announced. But many people gave exam on 15th of March, right? And it is already going to be June, right? So there is no clarity on this. So let's say, so your results generally comes within 60 days. Let's see. So the results should be announced very soon. That is what I feel. But nobody can tell you the dates, because the exams has started from 15th of March itself, and it's been 2 months. The result is not announced, but now the results will be announced in another, let's say another 10 days, another 10 to 15 days result will be announced, and a result will not be announced for everyone. It will be announced in phases. Clear? Okay. Then the second thing, their compiler always has issues and TCS is never accepting this. So till then you don't give the feedback. See, if you give a feedback, it does not mean TCS will not give you the result or TCS will not select you. No. So they just wanted to know, and you guys are the better this thing who can tell this. Okay, now admit card will be always released 1 or 2 days before. Okay, 2 days before. Now the center, if the center is quite far, how a student will be able to get the ticket, how a student will be able to travel. So there are a lot of such factors are there. In that case, you should always give this 2 satisfactory. Considerable improvements is needed. Okay, so I hope I have answered all of your queries. So feedback form is nothing but just to understand that how is this particular exam happened, did you face any kind of problem and all. Thank you, take care, and all the very, very best.